Do you want pizza tonight that tastes like you fermented a dough for 2 days? This same day Neapolitan-style recipe is fast, easy, and yes, it works in a pizza oven or your home oven. Hey, I'm Lee, and today I'm going to show you the same day Neapolitan-style dough that delivers that puffed, chewy crust without the weight. I'll show you how it works in a high heat pizza oven and a regular kitchen oven. Here's what you'll need: 300 grams of 00 flour, 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 350 grams of warm water, about 100 F, 3 grams of active dry yeast, 12 grams of fine sea salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To make this work on the same day and still handle high heat, we've adjusted 3 key things. First, we add more yeast to speed up the fermentation. Then, a mix of 00 and all-purpose flour for both elasticity and stretch. Then we add the olive oil to tenderize the dough and help manage quick proofing and high heat baking. I'm using a stand mixer here. Start with your flours and yeast, then mix in the water, add the salt and olive oil, and knead for about 5 to 6 minutes until smooth and elastic. No mixer, no problem. Just knead by hand for around 10 to 12 minutes. The dough starts rough but smooths out beautifully, and you'll definitely feel when it's ready. Lightly oil a bowl. I'm using the same bowl here that I mixed the dough in. Place your dough in and cover. Let it rise at room temperature for 3 to 4 hours until it doubles. If it's a hot day, you'll only need 2 hours. Then divide it into 4 dough balls, cover again, and rest for around 30 to 60 minutes. This helps relax the gluten before shaping. Now, at this stage, if you're not in too much of a rush, you could put it into these plastic containers like this, place it in the fridge for 2 hours, then bring it out an hour before you want to use it, bring it up to room temperature, and then shape it. Or you can leave it in the fridge for up to 72 hours. Don't forget to bring it out of the fridge and leave it at room temperature for around an hour before shaping it. To shape, press gently from the centre out, letting the edge form naturally. No rolling pin, we're keeping those air bubbles. Use flour or semolina to prevent sticking. Now, how you bake depends on what you've got. If you've got a pizza oven at 750 F or higher, you're golden. Top lightly, sauce, fresh moz, basil, and bake for 90 seconds to 2 minutes. The dough can take the heat, and the olive oil helps protect it from drying out. No pizza oven, no worries. Preheat your kitchen oven to its highest setting, usually 500 F or 550 F, and use a pizza steel or stone if you've got one. Bake for 6 to 8 minutes until puffed and golden. You'll still get amazing rise and flavour. That crust, soft and chewy inside, crisp outside, and the flavour is surprisingly deep for the same day dough. Honestly, if you didn't know, I'd assume this was cold fermented overnight. This recipe just works. So whether you've got a backyard pizza oven or a standard oven in your kitchen, this dough's ready when you are. Smash that like button if this helped. Got a question, pizza oven, topping, technique, drop them in the comments. Want the slow fermented version next? Subscribe so you don't miss it. If I've already done it, then it's linked here or in the description below.